Hello dear fans. How to convert MPa to atmospheres. The unit of pressure used in the International System SI is named after the French scientist and writer Blaise Pascal, who lived in the 17th century. It is equal to a pressure of 1 Newton, distributed over an area of 1 square meter. In addition to it, pressure is also denoted in other units, including atmospheres. This measure is derived from practical measurements and is equal to the pressure of the Earth's atmosphere at sea level. It is necessary. Calculator or internet access. Instructions. Step 1. Start by specifying which of the two atmospheres you want to get from the original megapascal conversion. Most often we mean a standard or physical atmosphere, equal to the pressure force, which can be balanced by a 760 mm column of mercury with a density of 13,595.1 kg/m3. At acceleration of gravity equal to 980,665 m/s. These are the density of mercury at 0 degrees Celsius and the Earth's gravity at sea level. But there is also a technical atmosphere, which is assumed to be equal to the pressure force of a load of 1 kg on a plane with an area of 1 cm, located perpendicular to the force of gravity of 1 kgf. Step 2. Determine the ratio of the atmosphere. Assume that one standard atmosphere equals 101325 Pascal, and one technical atmosphere equals 98,066.5 Pascal. The abbreviation MPa denotes the Pascal derivative megapascal. In all SI units of measurement, the mega prefix corresponds to a multiplier equal to 1,000,000, 10, which means that the above values should be reduced by 6 orders of magnitude. Move the comma and get the odds 0.101325 and 0.0980665. Step 3. Divide the original value, measured in megapascals, by the conversion factor obtained in the previous step. Since this coefficient is not a round number, it is not very convenient to make calculations in the head. Use a calculator for this, and if there is internet access, then use the calculators built into many search engines. For example, if you want to convert a pressure of 78 MPa into physical atmospheres, then go to the Google home page and enter 78/0, 100 and 1325 in the search query field. The search engine will calculate and display the result, 78/0, 100 and 1325 is equal to 769.800148. Thanks for watching.